This brand is from Ideal Living and features 4 sizes of air purifiers with 3 stages of air filtration, and the units can be purchased through their website or on Amazon. They have an air quality sensor with an auto mode to switch the fan speeds based on the quality of the air entering the purifier, as well as an air quality indicator light that allows you to tell the current air quality in the room. The 1000 series models have a 4-speed fan with a 570 square feet coverage area and a 152 CFM delivery rating, while the 2000 series has a 610 square feet coverage and a 162 CFM delivery rating. The 3500 series has a 1,274 square feet coverage with a 340 CFM delivery and a 39 decibel noise rating, which is roughly equivalent to a light rain, while the 5500 series units have a 2001 square feet coverage, a 534 CFM delivery rate and a 30 decibel noise rating. The 5500 series has a 6-speed fan and, when running on low speed, it is whisper quiet. The brand features an ultra HEPA filter which removes airborne particles as small as 0.003 microns, but they are rather loud compared to some of the other brands. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.